Coccidiosis is a serious parasitic disease that can significantly impact your dairy farm, especially affecting calves under 6 months of age. This condition is caused by Eimeria parasites, which are commonly spread through contaminated feed, water, bedding, or soil. With the right management and preventive measures, however, you can protect your cattle from this disease, ensuring better milk production and overall herd health. Coccidiosis is caused by the ingestion of Eimeria oocysts, which are shed in the feces of infected cattle. These oocysts can survive in the environment for months, particularly in warm, moist conditions. Overcrowded pens, poor sanitation, and stress are common risk factors that contribute to the spread of the disease. The parasite affects mainly young animals, but it can occasionally infect adult cattle under stressful conditions. Coccidiosis presents in different forms, from subclinical cases to severe outbreaks. Look out for the following symptoms: diarrhea, which can be bloody or contain mucus in severe cases; loss of appetite and weight loss; weakness and lethargy; fecal soiling around the tail and hindquarters. In more serious cases, calves can die from severe dehydration and infection. If left untreated, the disease can severely affect the growth and milk-producing potential of your cattle, leading to financial losses. Coccidiosis can harm your farm's productivity in several ways. Infected calves often experience delayed growth, leading to lower milk yields in the long term. Chronic infections can also reduce feed efficiency, causing further stress on the animals. Additionally, the disease leads to increased veterinary costs and labor for treatment, which can quickly become a financial burden. The long-term effects on herd immunity may also make your cattle more vulnerable to other diseases, further affecting the health and profitability of your dairy farm. Prevention is the best strategy when it comes to coccidiosis. Here are some effective control measures that you can adopt to protect your cattle. Cleanliness: regularly clean and disinfect feeding and drinking areas to reduce contamination. Proper housing: avoid overcrowding your animals and make sure they have enough space to minimize stress. Dry, clean bedding: use dry bedding to reduce the spread of the parasite and keep the barn area well ventilated. Pasture rotation: rotate pastures regularly to reduce the buildup of oocysts in the environment. Coccidiostats: consult your veterinarian about using coccidiostats like amprolium or monensin to prevent infections. Therapeutic treatments in case of infection: follow the prescribed treatments to eliminate the parasites and support the recovery of your cattle. Provide your cattle with a well-balanced diet that strengthens their immune system. Proper nutrition helps them fight off infections and recover quickly. Hydration and electrolytes during diarrhea episodes: provide electrolyte solutions to prevent dehydration and help with recovery. Sri Lanka's warm and humid climate makes it an ideal environment for the spread of coccidiosis. Dairy farmers in regions with heavy rainfall should be particularly cautious. Implementing a few practical steps can go a long way in protecting your herd. Routine monitoring: regularly check your cattle for signs of illness, especially during the rainy season. Isolation of sick animals: immediately isolate sick animals to prevent the disease from spreading. Staff training: educate your farm workers on best hygiene practices and the importance of keeping pens and feed areas clean. Work with veterinarians: regular veterinary checkups and advice are crucial for implementing an effective prevention plan tailored to your dairy farm's needs. By following strong biosecurity protocols, you can ensure that your cattle remain safe from coccidiosis and other infectious diseases. Proper quarantine practices for new animals, maintaining cleanliness, and reducing stress factors will all help minimize the risk of infection. Coccidiosis is a disease that no dairy farmer should take lightly. With early detection, good management, and preventive measures, you can protect your valuable cattle and avoid the negative impacts on milk production and herd health. By adopting these practices, you not only safeguard your investment, but also ensure the sustainability and success of your dairy farm for years to come. Let's work together to keep our cattle healthy and our farms profitable. If you need more information or help implementing these measures, don't hesitate to reach out to your local veterinary surgeon and veterinary surgeon office.